Oh, a dog. A tiny dog. You're all alone here. Hey, it's okay. I won't hurt you. Don't be scared. You're so cold. How long were you outside? Where is your family? Mom would never allow this, but I can't leave you here. Okay, come on, let's go. Stay under my jacket. Be quiet. Hi, Mom. I'm back. Everything is fine. Just a normal day.
Go wash your hands. Dinner will be ready in 5 minutes. And don't go upstairs yet.
Okay, Mom. I'll come in a second. I just need to drop my bag. I'll be quick. There, you're safe now. Nothing will happen to you. This is my room. No one will find you here. Hey, your tail. It's moving. Good boy.
Megan, why is your door closed? You never close it. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm changing. Go away. Don't come in. I said leave, Tom.
Megan, is that a dog? There is a dog in your room.
Please don't tell Mom. Please, Tom. I'm serious.
Okay. I won't tell. But you tell me everything later. 5 days. You have 5 days. Then I tell Mom everything.
Here you go, little guy. Eat slowly. It's okay. No one is coming. Your name is Jack now. Do you like it? Thanks, Tom.
Don't thank me. Just be careful. Both of you.
Megan, why is your door always closed now? Open it, please.
I'm studying, Mum. Big test tomorrow. Very important. I'll come down soon.
4 days, Megan. She still has no idea. We're doing great.
Jack, wake up. Hey, wake up, please. Jack, something is wrong. Tom, come here right now. Something is wrong with Jack.
We have to tell Mom.
I know. She will be very mad.
Yeah. Come on.
Mum, I need to tell you something. I should have told you earlier. I'm sorry.
Tell me, Megan. Just tell me.
Come upstairs. I'll show you.
Megan?
I found him in the rain. He was alone and freezing.
How long?
5 days. Mum, Jack is sick. He needs a vet.
Put your shoes on. Both of you. Right now. We're going to the vet.
It's okay. We're taking you to a doctor. You'll be fine. I promise.
He's extremely dehydrated and far too skinny, but stable. He should recover.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wait a second. Hold on. This dog has a microchip.
What does that mean?
It means he has an owner. I've got their address here. His name is Rex.
Rex. So his name is Rex, not Jack.
Megan, I'm really sorry.
I don't want to talk right now. Please, not now.
Look at me, Megan. Just look at me.
He was alone in the rain, Mum. Just like I feel sometimes. When you work late and I come home to an empty place.
Jack is okay now. He's warm. He's safe. That's because of you.
But I have to return him, right?
Yes, but you helped him first.
Excuse me, is my dog here? Rex? I received a call. Rex? Oh, Rex, there you are. You're really here. I looked for you every day. Every single day. Where did you go, my boy? Was it you who found him?
Yes, sir. I found him in the rain. He was under a tree. He was very cold.
You saved my best friend. I live alone. He is all I have.
I'm so glad he's okay. I'm really happy he's safe.
Can I take a picture of you and Rex? So I can remember this.
Goodbye, Jack. Be a good boy. Eat well. Don't run away again. Okay. I'm okay.
Take this, so you can remember him, and what you did.
Thank you, sir. I will keep it safe. I promise.
Megan, look. The rain has stopped.
He used to sit right there, under that chair, every evening.
I'm not upset with you, Megan. I want you to know that.
I know you said no. I should have listened. I'm sorry, Mum.
You kept a secret for 5 days. That was not right.
I know.
But what you did for that dog and for that man, I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mum. There you are, Jack.
Hey, can I come in?
I already miss him. Is that weird? I had him only for a week.
No, it's not weird. He's safe now. He's warm because of you.
Look at his face, Tom. He looks so happy.
Yeah, he really does.
Then I made the right choice, even if it hurt.
You did. Good night, Megan.
Good night, Jack. Rex. Sleep well. I found you. That's enough.
Let's go, before they wake up. Small dog. Friendly. Good with kids. All right. Hello. I'd like to ask about adopting a dog. A small one. What should I do first?
Mum left early.
I don't know. Her keys are gone.
Good morning. I need to tell you something.
Mom, what did you do?
Next Sunday, we are going to the shelter. All 3 of us.
Wait, a dog? Our dog? A real one?
Mom, really?
1 dog. Small. And it sleeps outside your room. That's the rule.
Thank you, Mum. Thank you, thank you, thank you.